If you use Google Chrome every day, there's a good chance your browser profile name is something you set a long time ago and now want to update. Maybe it shows your old name, maybe it was set up by accident, or maybe you just want your Chrome profile to look cleaner and more personalized. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Google Chrome profile name step by step, quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're on the browser window where you can see the top right corner. Now, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to all of the browser settings and tools. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can manage your browser preferences, account options, privacy settings, and profile details. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see different sections for Chrome options. Click You and Google. This is the area where Chrome stores your profile and account-related settings. After that, click on Profile. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see profile customization options in this section, and this is where you'll be able to update the name connected to your Chrome profile. Now find the field labeled Profile Name. This is the name that appears for your Chrome profile, and it may also show up if you switch between multiple browser profiles. Click inside the name box, delete the current name if needed, and then type your new profile name. Take your time here and choose a name that clearly matches the account or purpose you want. For example, you might use your first name, a work profile name, a school profile name, or a name that helps you organize multiple Chrome users. Once the new name is entered, make sure it looks correct before moving on. In most cases, Chrome saves the change automatically, so you do not need to press a separate save button. Just go back or close the settings tab, and the updated profile name should now be applied to your browser profile. If you have more than one Chrome profile, this can be especially helpful for keeping everything organized and easy to identify. If you want, you can also double check the profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome to confirm that the new name has been updated. This is a good final check to make sure everything changed properly. And that's it. You've now changed your Google Chrome profile name in just a few simple steps. No complicated setup, no extra software, and no technical experience needed. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, browser tips, and step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.